Good morning. Are you at a place in life where you need to restore and refresh your soul, revitalize or renew your inner self, your spirit, your emotional well-being? God gives us so many promises. The Lord is our shepherd. He will restore your soul, refresh your soul. The Bible says a generous person will prosper. Whoever refreshes others will be refreshed. God says, I will refresh the weary and satisfy the faint. Create in me a clean heart, O God, and renew a right spirit within me. The Lord your God is in your midst, a mighty one who will save. He will rejoice over you with gladness, and he'll quiet you with his love. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you, not harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future.